Coloring Book TV. Yeah, man, my people, I see so now I enjoy myself, you know. I know I love the movie, them really rate that. You understand? So, we always put in your work. You understand? So, people, do remember, we do promotion. You understand? We promote any business we have. You understand? As I say, if you want to promote, if you have a bar and you want to promote a bar and make people know say you have a bar and then can come support it. If you keep a party and want to big up it, you understand? If you want anything at all, your hardware, any business you have and you want to big up it, if you have a clothes store, as I say, any business you can think of, anything. And people, we also do video for funeral, you understand? You know, so me and Tucker, you understand, we have a business together named Westside Media. We take pictures of a party. You understand? We take pictures for anything at all. We don't want to do wedding. You understand? We do videoing for funeral. You understand? So if you have a loved one or you lost and a funeral keeper and you don't want to do videoing, you understand? You know you can hit my number 7992758 or you can contact Toga at 804-5738. The people, may I ask you for one small favor. You understand? Because I go through some little things from other day. You understand? With the filming. You understand? It's kind of hard, people. Like with the spending wise, because you know every day we have film, we have to spend money while we have film. You understand? To film with all the people, you know we have to provide food. You understand? So most of the time people when we get money, you know sometimes fans send their money, sometimes when they send their money, me myself can't really. So me I go take it and spend it for myself. You understand? Sometimes you only can put gas in my bike to help me move around and go me I go buy an idea it have to go back to what me I do. You understand? So, you know, we have to move, we have to go on things in our scene. You understand? We always have to provide food. So, you know, if anybody out there would like to donate a small fun story, I really appreciate it because every time I just say I get money from YouTube, you know, we pay out the people and we forget pay rent and everything. And then I know when we start fling back again the other day, you know, say money that. So, we as the producer don't really have nothing for ourselves. You understand? So, yeah man, to all the loyal people that want to help you out, we don't have no problem. You understand? I remember business them people, you can check them out. Remember, Coloring Book TV to the world. Check out the bad movie.
Because imagine people are pass up the sunny dog and run down. They put one plan then dog, man.
Me drop a beer cut me get.
Me give a chat about that, what we are going to eat? Because right now me hungry and you say I go check your friend, right?
Right now me hungry too.
Me I go check my friend out of she shop, so one time I don't know out of shop away from you.
That's the blue shop there.
The blue shop, blue yellow shop.
Alright, we can do that. We have to use that.
How am to you?
It's true, me and the dog, me know how to do.
So what you talking about now?
We have to use that tonight.
You don't eat KFC or something?
Go again. So we don't have money. Can't KFC, we don't have money.
Link your friend and ask me if you know.
Alright. Where's my link, my friend?
Yeah.
That's what I guess.
Alright.
Because there is so it's set, you know.
You know, say I right up on the road, me still me come give one link.
Oh,
I feel like me play to FIFA.
So you can go play although you always a lose team. From there Zaria so you can forward.
Me I walk a forward now lane.
Ah.
Girl. Funny work, I babysit me. The honest girl for babysit. Oh, nice baby girl. She love play, so she asleep. Me there, no where do you?
I'm sissy. I find you, man. I'm not going to get out.
So we can't what I'm doing right now. You don't even know me I go through this man. Every day I make it up my fair feet for mackerel and rice and this something there. Mackerel and rice right through morning, noon and night.
Girl, you have to give thanks enough. Enough people don't have nothing to eat.
I
Don't
buck
be like
ups.
that.
I buck ups and I get like a quench shade for drink. Me have to drink sugar and water.
Some people not even have sugar. What you mean? This time,
Long time
some
I
people
no
have
drink
it.
Alaska chocolate and this in the bush tea. Me have to feed pan.
Nothing really. If I hype it up,
I know how, but the man must can do better, man. At least one time in a week, let me eat a piece of chicken. If I'm not mackerel, if I'm not sardine, I don't know what else is. If bull beef, you can't afford.
you're just ever high.
No, that's I want to
Ever
7
high.
air box. Would
When
you
I eat some and chicken food, I want some.
get that?
Can eat some, you know. Oh God, you know
You
you
know
have to
lamb
ask
in
my
the
dad.
chicken, girl?
Girl, stop it,
Jesus
girl. The man know
Christ.
that bad. Let me see my one humble you. No,
Humble you,
oh,
but
God.
you know no money.
You know it's not all about money. Him love you, don't you love him, right? And it's Sealer. You see, your friend I tell you the truth. Sealer.
You know lamb in a piece of chicken?
Make you look so bad. Look how much chicken you eat in your life, and you need to look a man and not get hype life for you. You stay and go on to friend. Oh God, man. Not because him not get life for you. Use it. Him have ambition, because I know if he never have ambition, if you take him up. So try with him.
Then
If
what
he
about
willing, once he willing, work with him. Give him a test, man.
I'm not eat type of food so you can.
You can't eat Africa, me eat already. And then
No
you
man,
can
me
eat.
say me have to go sit there now. Let me go to go meet my boyfriend. Go to the woman in the shop. The shop was a road. I'm not eat type of food.
Girl, eat what you want to eat. And you have to give thanks you have one little man. Because me there, wish me they could have found one good man right now.
You want some man,
At
I'm
least the
just
man
sitting
provide something to have you up there dead for hungry. You better give thanks. You know how long me not have somebody. And me there wait, you know how long me pray to find one good man. Because me can't bother not kill this man right now.
I tell God if I saw find one.
So appreciate the one where you have. Once you can get you don't want to remember good.
Good things come to those who wait.
I say me I go on a lot. Me know God soon send me one good man.
Wait,
So
yeah.
me I go and do little work. And I'm about to stress out the man because I know you love bad
You
man.
want to sort him man, but if you do better man later. You think
Take it
yeah?
easy, yeah. You better grow though.
You know, girl.
Pack up.
Yo. Yo.
Oh, good.
Right through.
There. Let me there go check your door about getting some fun, but you never record. But I'm soon check your on this thing.
Brother, what you mean?
I tell you the truth.
What you mean? I'm soon check,
Soon
brother.
check it.
You've been telling me that for days and weeks and months. I feel like
What you know? I'm money me forget. I just feel money not come through.
Brother, you sit down on a wall and chat. Me even know where you are the dog, you know, look at money.
Even other day, money reach. I just threw my good on the day.
Brother,
I want
you see it,
the
you
money
see it.
get the same
You,
back.
you see if I did your thing, because you mash up my phone, you know, I'm not for nothing about it. You see,
But me tell you, me I'll fix it back.
when,
Me I'll
bro,
help you fix it back.
when you mean help me fix it back, or you want to fix it back, but man, I know me mash up your phone. Matter of fact, me lose all of my contact them, you know much business me I look out
I
for.
got help you
People
fix
are
it
calm
back.
to
Me
come
not
and
tell
studio
you
and
the
me
man.
can't get no number, bad man.
You just buy one little banger in the meantime.
You know buy,
And
give
put
me.
a chip in it.
You know buy, give me.
And then me I'll fix that phone there. Must be mad.
Bro, you know, yo,
Just see that.
yo, you have to argue me for your phone.
Relax,
too.
sir.
Brother, you see how long me they are calm down.
Relax. So me tell you, say me I go make you get back your
When?
phone. Relax.
When?
Look how more me I go collect your
Look
money.
more. So give me your phone till look more then.
Oh, me I go collect your money and me give me phone. Relax, man.
Brother, yo, give me your phone. Man.
Relax, sir.
Yeah, I'm doing too long, you know, bad man.
Badness I
What
put
kind of
it.
badness? Bro, me just want my phone to get my contact them. And you're there, sit down and now.
Your phone soon fix.
When?
Look how more, look how more
Brother,
me
you
I
been
go
not telling me
collect
that
it.
and I go round. Yo,
Me not grown. Relax, man.
My phone.
Yo,
So I badness you push.
now you come and grab the
Yo,
phone
give me
now.
your phone, man, yo.
Brother, relax, man. That.
Where?
You tell him,
Yeah.
Go.
nobody fighting. I'm
Oh
telling
yeah,
you.
you think I can try and beat up?
Yo.
You think I can try and beat up? Yo, come here.
Go, hey.
Oh, go on there. You think I can up a road and make a boy beat up my cousin? Oh yeah,
You can mash up his phone and tell him say you want to get him money later to fix his phone. I know you want to come grab my phone out of me. hand.
yo, I'm here. I want to say I go. What go on? What you saying?
Nah, so nothing to you, no. Because if I say something to you, I'm going to look in your face, you know.
Look me in my face. Say, no, me ask you a
Phone
question.
drop in the water by mistake. Because me and him did that and the phone drop in the water by mistake.
Out of who?
See all that the man they
Out
know.
of
This
who?
a
So
man that
yo,
did
so where
that.
money there? You know, what me? You know, make your man get in your phone. You know,
Me tell him look more, he might get him phone.
Yeah,
Because
I
me and him
can't
did it and the
come
phone
much
drop in
space
the
now,
water.
watch out.
And me say me I go help him fix
Alright,
back
watch
the
you now.
phone.
I'll just squash you. Say, yo, father, sorry for your aggression. You see me?
And you come and
But
grab my
hold on,
phone
that's
out
what I'm
and
talking
tell
about.
him,
Hold
look
on,
more.
man. Hold on. Sorry for your aggression. You see me? That's just because I fall out, I walk forward and I see, yeah, beat up my cousin. And you know, family thing come down. And I go turn up and see my family I get beat up. That's why I run in, but my sister I him wrong now. So I go apologize. So watch you know, I'm going to just squash everything you say. How much your phone? How much you fix the phone?
I just want a screen.
Yeah,
I saw
how much you deal
internal.
with?
30 grand can deal with it.
30 grand. Alright, here. You have an account number.
Yeah, NCD.
Alright,
Tell
here.
him, look more you get
But
the
I
money
tell him
fix
to
the
come out
phone.
from win, dog.
But me tell you, say me not
Alright,
get you.
just squash out the thing there. Yes, me I talk to the thing, brother. You put in the account number. Look out for your money, I send you 30,000. And watch you now. When I just done here, so when I need to phone one another again, and in a no argument boy phone, no violence, nothing at all, when I just done here, so. If you don't have a deal after this, or if you don't have a deal, but you just done it, so you don't borrow about nothing, see me, no borrow about nothing, so no more problem with it. You see me? Because I say, reason why my father and I fight a while ago, are just because I seen that get beat up, and I'm a cousin, so I not make that go on the road, because I know you that do the same. You see me? So watch you know, I'm sending off you right now, and show you so you can go dry and do it. So you just squash off this right, so, and done here, so. You see me? Cause, you get me, I say? You get me, I say, my general? Alright.
I just in the for wait.
Cause, I said, done it, this son, cause. That today, you don't care, you're too stubborn.
I don't like pay.
I send it so you can check your card and everything. So you see your phone mash up, no your phone that.
No, my sister phone. No, my sister phone. If you see me with phone for a wedding.
Yeah, what do one now, just done it there so. You mash up in your phone for true.
Mistake and drop in the
Alright.
water.
So your money pay everything then, just do one now. Cause come here, me need to talk. Come here.
I'm going up the road up a bridge.
Come here, me need to talk. You see what I say, cause they know say you nah listen. Me you keep and I talk about this. Me tell yourself you love people things cause you have your phone in your pocket. What you do it for your phone cause?
We borrow video sitting because my phone dead.
So how you end up mash up? What you just drop out of your hand, what
He just slip out of me and they sweat and he slip and drop in the water. Indeed did it too.
So how long since you have fix back in your phone?
No, in 2 months and I tell him say me soon get the money.
Then cause you must expect say man no go want him money, brother. Last time I could have come in and come stab up a man with knife or something and I could have gone to prison. You can't do that something, brother. You know say if you don't want
All
money,
you
brother.
have to do
But
is
you come
wait,
like
you
you
don't
know.
have to go so far.
Because you
Go
have
wait.
money at that you too don't care. You have money you just a bet every minute per game and a play a box. Do you papa and you drink rum because I spend out your money. You can't do that, man. You fix back your man phone, brother. You see me? Oh, everything good enough, so I fix it and it good there, so. You see me? Because I am a family, so I don't turn up and make
India get
but
the
no,
money.
you can't know that you have a family where you help you out, you go all this.
India get the money. I just
2 months now,
wait.
2 months now since you owe money.
So if you don't have the money, we have to
Yo, of course, go
But
take that off, man. Come on, man. A FIFA, I call you for play. Go play FIFA. Come on.
See boy took a while ago, you know.
So I'm gonna give you money.
Boy, how long ago I can't give me money. Till me have to get serious and start grabbing the phone. One night time, it's like my fight box, I'm sit down in my chest.
You're not.
No, me I show you what going on, man. Sit down, me cousin come on. Me cousin run and try to fist off on me, but look, can't even two in the ribs.
Look here, I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about the fight. I'm talking about the money part. How you go?
Him cousin end up sending money, but he going on no style. 2 months he have my money and no want to give me. And me and my friend, you know, that one, you know.
So when you get the money, you say?
He sent it to my account.
So we are going to do now? You go buy the phone or not?
And she start on back in phone. He go still now, but me not give him back in phone. I'm not like people
It
think.
makes sense to go down the town go buy my phone, you know.
Me I buy one banger man. I buy one banger. I want to look at touch screen. Boy man, now style.
Let me ask you a question. What we are going to eat?
We are going to eat. I'm not killing her something man.
Every day, sir?
And every day, every 2 days.
Almost every day.
Every 2 days.
I don't want that today, I swear.
So you want today?
If I can't beef or chicken or something, but I can't bother now my food today again. That bump me up too much.
So let's give it to you.
Just come now, man. I'm not joking.
Alright, where you?
Yeah, but go buy one cheap phone down the town. How much money they give you?
I'll give you 20 grand.
Huh?
20.
20 grand?
They want to be pushing. Because my dog just to see me just that.
Well, yeah, is it that you go buy one bang around 5 grand or something? I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
Or, I'm not sure if I raise or to think or not. You go buy one banger. You go buy one banger and the rest of the money you go use and buy things to put in your house to eat. Because I don't want no mackerel. I alone can't feed for that. Maybe you take my phone.
Alright, now I'm out.
Come on, I'll go turn now.
Go on.
Just let it game, I don't play a game.
Yo, you know talk about that. Me pay money and not even tell me thanks.
Yeah man, respect man.
So me never talk about
that's
you,
why
but
I'm
tell
not
me.
even give 14-0 because let's show you say respect.
Cause you need to change your ways still. You see me? As I say, you have your work. You understand? And you have your daughter as well. You can't drink every day and spend your money and bar you out and you can't make your friend them eat out their pocket enough and then for them pocket good enough. You see me? You can't do that because by an idea you have to mind your daughter and you can't make your money where you work. Because you are 2 months now, if you owe money set and you could have given money. You see me? Because I know you work. And as I talk about that too, you can't give me a piece of work. You know, say dialing now really go on in nothing to me.
Talk about that though.
So I say, man, the dialing now really go on in nothing to me because I tell you the truth. Right now, some money I have put on. A good thing, so I did have one good piece of money in my account. So I say I did want to buy one bike with it, isn't it?
Oh.
Yeah, I did have one actually 400,000, but each year I take time and chop it down, so and I really nothing there like that. But so my heart clean and my family, I still have to pay money.
I talk
I want
about
to work
work.
up your workplace, man.
The boss has money like up some things like and things. So like maintenance, like a grown and check.
So
things
why
and
period?
stuff like that. A good money man, like 21,000 a week. But me there want to do work still, because the work you have to do double shift.
Wait, I tell that about other day and I say it all double.
Yeah,
Your money on double.
Yeah. So I just,
Oh, so you can't manage the part.
me this time I want to do it, me tell the boss, he wants to me can't manage it, and me as him to me learn. And I learn fast.
So talk to him for me, the man, I'm going to be working because right now.
I know me I will say, me have my
When you go back to work?
can do it. Look how much me I got work, man.
Oh, you're going tonight. Alright then, just do it right then. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so right now.
So you don't take the things for not joke.
No, man, I want to work, man. I go there, man, and I have to follow me. I go there. Alright.
Check it.
Just make sure you remember to tell the boss, you know. I want to work. Yeah, I know, yeah,
There, man. So me go yesterday, man. I tell the boss, boy. But they must say, in they have somebody in mind already. But somebody did to come in last night, but he never come in. So they have one mean somebody already, but they want somebody like say, you mean somebody sick. You can't feel in.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
But me
But-
to work every day still. I get to work.
Yeah, man, yeah, I get to work, man. they want somebody to do some electrical work. Said
And it's a maintenance said we.
yeah, man,
So a double may I get?
Yeah,
So I like a
double.
2 something may I cross and I do.
Yeah. So meanwhile, I do electrical work, you can see say you're a good worker, and then you can get a job fully over maintenance. So you would have just response to maintenance. Because somebody they have the now mean somebody. Him not to come and work more time. He come and look on tools. So many time he fix a bulb there, you know fix. Then if you call him back every minute. So
So the most east side, somebody the most side.
yeah. So if you go there now and then she say you willing to work every day, you can get to work full time and your pay can go up.
Done me for forward in.
So the boss tell me say you can forward in tomorrow it's 9:30. I don't remember the time but
So what time you go to work?
when today?
Tomorrow.
9 man, I go work, man. I know I go
Oh, so you follow me
a
go up
shift.
there and everything.
Sometime I go in the morning.
So you follow me go up there.
Your mom can't follow you, man. Because you don't really know the boss. And I okay to the boss and make you know talk and finalize everything.
Alright then, cause me see that call me this morning do and I tell me something about say you want a lot of money for borrow still.
Yeah man, as me say.
But I remember say you call me and I said to me this morning but I'm
I
not tell you
don't
cause
bother borrow no money now because bros I go wait till I get paid. Because I go borrow money now by the time I get me pay. Everything will frazzle out and I go worse I broke. You see it, so now I put myself in all that trap there. Where I have to borrow. Although would I love if you have it still can give me for borrow, I would have take it.
I don't have you no cause but you want to go and I go check my bridging.
But if you not have it, you know,
What kind of man cause? What kind of man just calm on yourself and you say you want it, I make you get it. I go borrow it from somebody but I borrow it like a me. You see me? But don't worry yourself. Me pay back man, don't worry yourself.
Alright, no worry.
How much you say you don't want again? No, 10 grand.
No man, I want 25.
No, cause me can't go this one. 10.
I want 20.
10 cause 10.
15.
10.
Oh, or 15 and enough for that.
10.
15,000.
Me not have a work. 10.
Like, borrow 15, me give back 5 and you take full pocket 10.
Alright. I say alright, me there still.
I really want to start out.
Respect for your work, said you see me?
Yeah man.
So me have a fault, just me call and I'm ready in the morning. By 7 o'clock me rise up.
Alright, just show me.
Yeah,
I
man.
have to go there early, you know, because on Monday, you like when people on time.
Yeah man, I want you man, on my
On
first day,
time.
I can't disappoint you man. Must say you make me get to work, you know, so I
Just
can't.
on time.
Yeah,
You
man.
see, if I go out there, and my deal don't know, we like, say you want this, you. It just like when you work, you know, want to sit down and do nothing. Because a work you come to if you work.
Yeah
You
man.
understand? And you like when people sit down on phone. You like them there. So if you
I
go
understand
there,
everything, cause man.
don't make you see you can't. I not say you can't go on your phone, no, but don't make you see you on your phone. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah, so just me tell you look more rest of things.
Yeah, man.
No still.
Alright, I say alright. I deal with the thing there for you, know, so by all the morning, me can make you get it to you here.
Alright, that's
Alright, yeah man.
See you guys, sir.
Yeah.
So you start cooking now?
Cook what?
You know, cook some food.
No, I'm tired. I can't cook today, sorry.
You know, you want to do a rake up here now.
What do you mean by me not do nothing?
Well, you know, you have done from morning.
Well, I'm tired. Me not have the energy to go cook nothing right, you know. It's either you go cook or what, because I not cook nothing.
But me not see you done rake up here yet.
Then go and rake up yard. Go and rake for now.
So
So
when
when
you-
time I do not go and go cook.
Remember say when we just start the tell me say that you don't make me do nothing, you know. Say you did do everything.
That was back then. Then I know what 2 different time. Look here, I'm not even argument with him. I can't go over my friend here.
I don't make up here.
I went time I come up, me need food to eat. I'm now no Sunday.
I don't make up here.
No, I'm not gonna know Friday. Hardy for something else, please.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I have one friend I could have asked if she's interested Because you know, I don't really have a lot of people I know like that. Yeah, man, she's a people person. She's good with kids and all that. Definitely. So I'll ask her as soon as I see her. And I'll keep you posted. Alright, ma'am. Take care. She's asleep. Alrighty. My God, girl.
Go on, friend.
A long time. I don't see you like the man have a fan lockdown, man, government and stuff.
Don't do it, because it's a long time. It's a lie. You know, see me other day.
So, girl, your man, me used to see it every minute. You almost live here. From I get to look at work. But anyways, I have good news, man, and if you're interested. The lady with me I work for, she have one friend, and you know them are decent people and so good people. Outstanding people, people know say, yeah. She wants somebody to babysit. I mean, know you're good with kids and stuff, and me that talk to my boss. Nobody wait, no. Food and everything included, and you pay nobody at all. Everything included, you get free Wi-Fi, AC in your room, everything, girl, hot water, everything.
Take care.
And you can have other side job, like week on, week off.
You know, I'm gonna work because me not look forward to look no job right now.
Why?
My man have to take care of me.
Really?
Yeah.
That again?
What you mean if that
You
again?
really still try that?
Girl, a queen treatment. Me feel live right now, queen
Yes,
life.
you are a queen, but you don't have to use that road there, yo. Like, seriously?
No, me feel like down nobody that thing just come to me just that I decide. Me not take care of nobody picking and clean nobody picking shit. I must be mad.
But God go with her,
Crazy.
please.
Me not take as much as me
But
love
you become a mother, so a part of it, like, seriously?
I'm so sure about that.
Yeah, me know, well, after you done all of this, one day somewhere
But me
far
not-
on the road, yes, you're
me
going to
not
want
ready
kids
yet,
and a
though.
husband and Ray.
But me not ready yet.
You sure? People
That's-
are nice and we treat you good, and your pay go up because over time, if you do really good, your pay raise and them
You come like I not understand what me I say. Me not want work none at all. Me not want no job. My man fear take care of me. Like I'm do it now, other thing fear do. One thing you need to step up in the game, that's all.
Man.
Then I'm my man, me can't talk about my man.
Big up your man.
Yeah.
He's a nice young man and he have a bright future as per usual you do. But what me I say is, you don't have to be all about him. You can't put all life pressure on him. Like how I help you with certain things you work, you can go to Bamson and help with little things. So you don't have to put all life pressure on him.
No,
You
sir.
can look and see that and you think one day more look and say you just want team money, everything you just want and you're not ambulant.
I'm not business what I want to say. By the end of the day, him and the man is supposed to give me money.
You know, see I saw you stay from high school until now. I make you
here.
stay so girl. This
Me
never
never-
go nowhere, you know.
Me never come over here in an argument with him. I run out
Girl,
of one
man,
and me come back in a one.
Man,
You know what?
eventually I go see them look style there because you think you might eat that.
It makes sense we can go over me here, yeah?
Girl, I saw you stay for long you need for change.
Me not change it, please,
Look how you're
nobody.
nice, girl. Somebody married
Yeah.
you and settle down and take care of your work
So,
and
they tell us
come
I'm more married.
50-50. But you look good, your wife material. You're a good personality. What you? Alright, me see you, maid.
No.
You cook food already?
Not even. Just don't wake up here and just light the fire. We see what I do.
For the time me gone?
So yeah, not for wake up.
Me never said the other for a but me feel like I look about something to eat.
But we never done.
How long are they so sit down?
Not even 2 minutes.
So nothing I look about.
No look what yet.
So we are going to eat.
When me done, me I go just mix it in.
Don't do what? Sit down?
When you done sit down, where you been a different day?
You mean by when we been a different day? Me did over my friend.
I thought me ask her, see your friend not cook.
Some people walk and bake food. And food in a place.
You know not like that.
And
Yeah, I'm chill like that or somebody car what year on your phone mash up and me get the money. I tell us you 20 grand. I'm surprised so me give you 10 grand for yourself. So that add up to 30 me get and tell us you 20. I'm surprised I give you 10 grand. You don't know what you do with it. I ask you buy one bang for 5 grand, I use 15 and put food in your house. You know what you do, I ask about it. So I know like me now do nothing but me just tired you know.
tired of what?
Just tired of everything. We just tired for your work out there so and come in come cook. So we just want a 5-minute rest. I soon go do the work.
So, man, you know, so you're serious though?
With what?
You're really serious.
With what?
Look here, me hungry. Me can't me tell us to let me go over this and come back and food no cook.
Well,
I go out right now, I'm hungry, I can't get nothing to eat.
So you want to start the pot then?
Start which part? Me go lay down, do what you do.
See, I love when I make messages. Well, if you want to lie down, you can lie down and make sleep full of but till me done cook.
Him man not give me attitude. They say I'm a son here. Let's go on for now. Go on now.
You make me look like me worst.
Me never say you're the worst. Me never say that.
know,
Me appreciate everything what you do, but me need something to eat. That's all me talk about now.
Alright. Do your thing. I'll go in the kitchen.
This big and broke.
God.
What's your Buju wagon?
God, don't far. You know, some people place I'm not going to see that. One of my stylists.
You want to say I want to look work, me to go carry me go get the man. How you dealing?
You want to dog. You're one of my styles. Because I know me want frost dog. And just say I come link to dog. You know, you're family. Alright, you know, you're only G. Me can link with me. You know, me not go here back in the street. So you me a big dog.
Why, Buju? You're a good family to me. You understand? Because from we little, you always show me love and everything. You understand? But I know I'm not rich, but I still have to help you out. Around how much you want, sir?
Yo, G, watch out now. I want 3 me want, but I don't know what you say. Because I never give them to put them. But I really need it, dog.
I like how you talk still. I can't give you a 3 still. I don't have money if you can get Tugger. I can't give you a 3. So what go on with you still? You're not fair for Tugger.
Just make you want 5 grand, man.
No, cuz don't bother with that. You know. You just said 3. Me tell you say I want money, I have to get Tugger, man.
Alright, just do what you do. Alright, here what you do. Just give me 3 grand and just give me a fear if you go back up.
Cuz at 3,000 I can give you. See it. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, cuz, watch out now. I swear.
You know me always show no respect, you know. Me always show no respect, man. See how Tugger call me, you know. Yo!
How are you there?
You just get up.
Yeah, actually, I want like a birthday party around, so.
Alright, do you do forward, me come out on the lane.
Ah.
Alright, watch out, this is 150, I know you're fear for back up, you pay your fear.
Alright, watch out now. Hold it
Man,
respect,
make up
you know.
yourself, Buju, man.
I mean, I beg your father, just make it stay here, so.
No, man, me not going to talk about that, man.
Alright, so, Tamika.
She good, man.
You go there.
I'm not done still, but you know me, I'm not good still.
And Cathy-Ann.
Well,
Yo, watch
you
out
get the
now. When
money
you see
for it,
Cathy-Ann, just tell him so blessed. Because $3 house thing for him, you look up it and you never told you me again that for him. You see me? Yo, respect again, your family.
Alright. You come check me, man. Mr. Late. A long time you not tell wait for you?
No, this is true. We get up.
I know we early still, cause you
Just
say,
jump up out of the sleep and I'm coming in, man.
you say at 9 or 9:30 you say?
Yeah.
One time now, 8:15. So come on now, go on out, I can't ask it now.
So you have your papers and something, right? The ID and something.
Yeah man, I borrow my bridging bike. So everything, I have a bag down and everything, but I just walk come up and say I wait for your lane.
I chose to go up on the road last night. I'm not even remember.
You got a party last night?
Yeah, we go on.
So now you said don't tell me say no money, say you got a party cause
No, and I'm a friend them come on birthday party.
I know, so I just feel with family Buju.
Mm.
Yeah man, I just see Buju and him tell me say yo, he want a little money, you see me? And me give Buju 3,000 a while ago. Yeah, cause me have 15,000 for you.
Really broke.
Me have 15,000 for you.
Oh, that's can't give me every time already.
Yeah man, so right now.
The boss asks you a question. Answer honestly. Don't tell no lie. If you tell lie, I'm going to know say I tell lie. You understand? Because you can see it. But them man the spiritual. You understand? So don't tell no lie. You say if you can do something, you say yeah. If no, you say no. Right?
Yeah, man.
Don't say you can't do it and you know you can't do it. You understand?
Girlie. Walk that's a girl pop I'm back.
Yeah, all good. Hi. The peanut ever this room. No, what I'm to her. Hey. Hi. Hi. So all good. I'm just play away.
There, girl, I'm going to your story. Good news.
Good news. I could have that no.
Yes. This one, girl.
I don't know.
This one.
You can't give me your money.
They love money so much. Girl, friend, one nice guy from overseas.
This one come now, go on the road.
Alright. What does it?
So your man dear.
No man him good man, tell me.
You know, change the ways, you know.
Just start no girl.
Money I see with them. He's gonna meet one man, girl. The man come from overseas and I yesterday I gone, you know.
Yesterday? I thought what?
Jumping on my inbox, girl. Jumping on my inbox. The boy said like me and something, you know. I tell him say I rent out for in a time. I say how much he rate me and he willing to show me some rate me. We do anything for me because he want me and rate. So I live in a rent house and I want to build one little place. So I can do it for you, so.
May I listen to you that me?
I tell him, so I live in a rent house and I want to build a little place if I want 5 days. I don't say I mind that. I'm going to catch up on nobody else up here. And he said willing to help me. Yeah, girl, I'm going to build one and help me build one nice house because he'll soon come down or something.
Can I ask you a question? Yeah, black. Can I ask you a question? So you say? So you say you don't want no man?
Yeah, but he's so nice and him, you know, him hard working, you know, because I don't want any man, I look at careless man. You know,
so you want him?
Me a babysit there for the work and something. I said, yeah, I like him. If him like me, then willing to show me say him like me.
Girl, let's say you put the focus on work and have time for man, then all of a sudden you jump gone to man now.
Yeah,
and I take man
you know,
things.
for me.
And you run gonna take man things and you want to take money from man to build a house and things. Girl, let's say you work and save money and build a own business.
And I just, girl, what for your son, so girl, I like for your son.
Baby,
Your
no,
son
my
happy
son.
for me.
No, me a good friend, me tell you the truth.
Girl, what the man saying willing to spend, I'm a one help. But some me I work and I like me and kill this girl, you know.
That's why you
Me
save your money.
Then me I work and me I get the help. A man willing to help me, but some me not live now and catch me hardly can pay
Just
rent.
pretend like you never meet the man and just go and try along with life.
But you know easy. What kind of friend you be?
What kind of friend you be?
And you look a man and something. The man sister me have ambition and the man willing to invest in me. So I don't understand what you mean. You're supposed to be happy for me.
So I'm not
I'm like
happy
for
for you.
your son, friend. Me happy for your man. See your man just walk past. Me not have no man for.
Happy for you? What want for if you're happy with you for? Happy for
Yeah, you know, see a man nice to you and something, a relationship are going. So what your problem? Money your problem. You love money too much. See, we meet the man and him nice. Me not all about his money. If money,
so where you take him on money for then if you're not all
because
about
I
the
have
money?
good intentions. Him say him want long-term relationship and all of that. So if you really mean what him say, I'm going to say him really mean it. Why me not work with the man of God till my husband come? But it ain't easy. Very easy.
I'm not going to look the life.
Yeah, go back on the people that work. I don't like how you sound. We can't look a baby for your walk and I say me I come check you, but I don't like how. I don't like how you sound, friend.
Come here, home. Come here, friend.
Yes, I'm glad to see you. Take care.
Yeah, later.
Sorry, I'm telling more about the guy. Come feel like I say girl, I feel like I say I gotta give send the man for me. He seem really nice, you know. Later, anyways, later.
Alright, look a bit.
And I can't say you're happy for me even though you're going.
Then I'm most happy for you, my friend.
Yeah, I'm like the boy. Thanks, friend.
Alright.
Sure.
Let's say if I know.
Yeah, man, we'll get on
Man,
food
respect
down
for
for
father
the
and still and everything, you see me?
Yeah, man, that good man, I seen the thing.
Yo, I left the bag right there, so I not to remember. Take up the film. I like the first day still, I'm kind of rate say you can't wear anything go to work. So people not have to really all, I know what me I do when me I go, so I kind of like that. So at least I take on the work still very good.
The man now
I
go.
never know say I'm reaching them to start working. I think when that does check me up and everything.
But you know, see, as I reach and start show you one way to do
Yeah, say yo.
start show you
You gotta feel it for work and something man. Isn't it?
the lucky thing one flows blow. So you get to can change and then know so you can work.
So yeah, plan for the whole night here.
We ain't be go me and go rake up the place and go up and spread in bed because through me rush come
Auntie Michelle say man, you want to send me a little money because I tell me I'm broke. And he say he want to send me 20 grand. So you know, say 10 grand me have to give back him money.
Yeah.
Go and borrow. And he say you have to give me 5 grand. When you can't get it, because I tell the man.
So get 5 grand man, alright. No get 5 grand. I get the money so I drop a 5 grand.
Yeah, I can't artist and I'm in a like there something there.
She like some man.
Yo,
get the money.
yo. I sacrifice myself and it.
I'm gonna go over now and clean.
Watch now. I got have 5 grand left. I just give me 15 grand here, man. I just call it a day.
I good you too.
Yo, me always show no respect and I come tell you, it's a family. Me is a family man. I love my family.
You can borrow them super there.
Yeah man, I can't borrow. I'm team man, I don't have to ask man. I'm team man.
Can you go up?
Yeah, me is a family man. I love my family. Me always try to make sure say yo, me don't know. Me have one good heart. Me give everybody everything. And just then me sit down and just look. I just some time.
That's the food to my time, you mean the food to my time.
No man, me give you food, but
No one then you will say, come here.
no, some of the time we kinda debate and something. Cause sometimes you crave, you know, you come and want to take your whole plate. I mean I like that when me tell you say me give you half. Sometimes
Food
me
that
give you a
we
plate.
That food that
So that what
food
I have
that
up on
eat
your
food without. So 6:30 me on the food.
I have 1,000 line in my pocket and when I done, I go buy one large shoulder and me share and everything.
Alright, I see already there. Me have circle back then.
Yeah man.
So when you go for seafood in forward back.
Alright then. I'll go and sit down and sell it because I'm kind of tired. Yeah.
Get up.
But if you come down and wake me up or stay me asleep, what's your problem?
Me get me out do some thinking. Yeah, lie down still, we just be talking. Lie down, you don't have to get up right now.
What's your problem? Because you come see me asleep. And you know sometimes I asleep and I like when time people wake me up.
And that may come to chat to you about. Can we find out what my problem for you now?
What's your problem?
You are my problem.
What you mean by me and your problem?
Hold on, let me explain.
Oh, that's not good, right.
Me I do some thinking and you know say me not deserve this though, cause really and truly from the relationship start, I been not put my all. And I time and me I just start deal. Yeah, you saw me cook, clean up the place. So it's like from me I start from you get comfortable. Like you left everything from me. One time me used to tick on, you know, right now I lose weight. Once I nothing want fit me.
So me not lose weight because you not feed me right.
Hold on, man. I get to that. I know I'm not rich, you know. I know I'm not rich. I try my best. Sometimes my best may not be good enough for you, but me I try. I see I put on effort and me I look on right now. This a drain me mentally. I really care for you, but in my opinion, I feel like it's best if we just left. Cause
What you mean by left?
hold on.
All left coming in the picture.
Alright, you wouldn't have to left then. We left you if you know where you left. Cause me I look on, all me I do for you, you know nothing back for me. You just stay lie down, you go on road, go chat. You know where you chat say. You know no problem with that, but I know what you now do, you know. I fax you now do nothing. And I make me feel bad.
This me now.
No.
Me not nothing.
No, me not this one. I never this one. I would never do
What
that.
did I do?
No, man, it's a time. My mind, if you feel offended, I apologize for that, but I just something you feel. I just something you feel right now. Like I road go talk, my day I clean up. All the day I ask you come in and say hungry. You just don't wake up here, I'm not even there 2 minutes, you ask me there and nothing. I'm feel a way about that, so right now, I left you with a gift. You see this also? And maybe I pay rent, but I earn him in. So I pay 1 more month. I pay for this amount where I know it now. So I pay and left here so. You must know I have to pay a bill them, but I feel like I'm my time now.
What kind of man this year?
Best kind of money I could ever get. So
me ask you a question, what kind of style is that woman find?
I'm not find nobody.
No, basically I feel woman find like I want to leave
You
now.
want, you want to know the truth?
Yeah.
I find myself. I've been a live and I learn a lesson. Put on all and I get hurt. I do all I feel. I do everything for you, anything I could
And you come and talk about everything you do for me, right?
No, I never talk about it.
You say you're a good man I talk about things.
I never yet come and say me a good man. I never tell us so. I tell us I do my best. I never hear once come and say you know I'm the best man in the world.
You can go on, man, go on.
I go on.
All is well, go on.
I don't know well. But
You never really serve no purpose because come back on the rest with you after me play chat about go on, man.
I'm chat about
Because
it.
I can find man who way better can film upon lobster and then something there, so go on.
Alright. I hope you're alright, yeah?
Man, now have to find baby love.
Alright.
Enjoy your life.
Thank you.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I just don't look out to come like say rain or I'll fall. Right? Yeah, I know you not talk to me all day. I miss you too. I'm going to go on the road and deal with something then. Yeah. 230 something thousand. Yeah, it's still close to 250. So that one I could change left, can go supermarket and you know. I mean, I send you a picture receipt them because more you can see everything where it take place. Yeah, yes, babe. God no? That's what I'm nice. I really love that, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah, Mama said I always tell you about. Just come. Alright, babe, so I tell you hi. I'm always tell him boy. I'll tell him hi. Alright, love you too. Take care. Me call you as soon as I finish. A notification, baby, crazy. Which man? You're jealous? But I like it. Yeah. Alright, baby, later. Love you too. Girl. Boy, I see? Yeah, girl. Mama not going. Mama say a good look a while now. Me and the boy are talking now. He's about to come any minute now.
I'm happy for you know about a difference something come over here about.
Oh, what happened?
The job where they are talk about where you say a person wants somebody to babysit them.
Excuse me.
It's still available because right now they don't want a sticky situation.
You in a sticky situation?
Boyfriend just left me.
The guy. Hey.
So you laugh?
No, I'm not laugh, but seriously, the same guy where you say you have him under control and Ray.
You left me and tell me saying I want no woman we not do nothing but just sit down and want to live like a queen. And I say I must want to live life free. Like, but woman's supposed to live life free and live like a queen, why not? Everybody get one life live, they're supposed to live their life.
I do agree that you're a queen and you deserve queen treatment, my love, but you could have one little work on the side, the work gone. Then get babysitter. Yeah, because the people that pay good, I'm tell you say pay can raise over time, but you're a joke, my friend.
I don't know what me I go do now. He gone left me. He say he pay for rent for this month and that's it. Me left my own for next month.
I know, next rich man. You are top girl and you like top man. Then always look like you look good. Me don't know, Mom tell you to stop live so. Either better you have a little work and you make your money. Friend look for my friend and stop going so because I know you feel away about your friend always I tell you. Either better you have a little work.
So what going for you differently?
Me I talk to you because you don't like hearing truth, so you stay for a long time. Either better you have a little work and you know you get your money and you can spend and pay your bills and save a thing. And if you have a little man now, we decide to treat you how you deserve. Then no bonus that girl. See you and the man left now and know you want work. That better you have a work long time and the man gone, that's still good.
So you go still, me live and me learn.
I'm glad you live and learn. So you change your life now?
Change my life to what?
If you meet one next man and the man good to you, use the man good and the man make life and stop think about money. Money is not everything even though it's important. Anyways, you are your sad life. Let me hear my happy story. The boy love me, I love the boy. The boy go and go. The boy make me talk to him mother on the phone, girl and his sister them and something. Yeah, everybody like me.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, all I'm gonna go up to the family house, but we are with Anthony come to Jamaica. And he's gonna take me a little vacation. Papa want nice to go on a vacation and look for him family, meet and greet and spend a little time.
Yeah,
girl also build up on something. Right now, me I look some more work, man. Yeah, cause I'm happy for myself, you're not happy for me.
Yeah, I'm happy for you, of course. I am a friend.
So how you smell take so long to come off? Girl, me I look work, man. You don't know no mason, I'm a good mason, I'm a plumber.
No, me no know none.
Yeah, cause we do some work up there and yeah. But the guy nice, thank you God for sending me one good man. I'm grateful and thankful and happy for your friend.
Of course, me happy for you, where you talk.
The boy nice and the boy go and good. If people don't know this is a story, I'm like, no, it's a friend how your face looks, so you're not happy for me.
No, me happy for you, but me
happy for me. If you're not happy for me, me happy for me. Me can't start talking back my weight now and look good and so.
Me happy
look at man money plus my money and spend and to shine.
Me happy for you, but you know so many different things that make span right now. Me I think about how me get one next job. Or
next job, you wanna like work, you mean say how you get a job? A job?
Yeah, one job.
Get a job, not a top man, top girl. Sadie, look how long me I want them now. Brother and most friend, but change your life. You're a nice, good girl.
Me I come over.
Go on over the thing about your life. Like the man. As a matter of fact, I love my man because the man love me.
Go enjoy yourself, eh?
Yeah, I may have enough more to learn about him and grow to love him more. It's nice to see you, friend.
Yeah.
I know God will best with a nice man. You deserve good treatment for chewing about if they work. Back up yourself.
Alright, later.
Yeah, so when
May
boys
I
see
really?
me treat you good, he have to treat you good.
Alright.
Yeah, what I say now. Me and somebody quit the work. Alright. Backside, bossy. They know me. No man, my cousin. Him can't manage the role there. I tell you the truth, him can't manage the role there. Then the man not even take his work serious. He just want to do it for. You hear me? Yeah, him just want to do it for fun. I think woman left him and he nah no yard for doing just want to do it for run a road, just left the yard. He not take his work serious. I mean if you are put in a them position, the boss. That's it. Yeah, we have to man, we can manage the bossy. Don't do me that man, boss. You know so I learn fast. But me just come there and remember I never know nothing, you know. I never know no and I catch on fast. 1 week I catch on everything I know. Everything will go on. You see it? And me have to give you a chance in them position. You want to come tomorrow and talk to me? Alright, and that me tell my cousin is not serious. So you don't make no sense to everybody go talk to him about that in the world. He's not serious. He just do it as a little adventure thing. Yeah. Believe no man. Alright, boss. Can't get work over me. I'm did a long time.
Yeah man, everything normal man. Big up yourself here. Alright.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, the area now.
There, man. Boss, we just not too long. Talk with him and say, me and somebody quit your work.
Me and somebody quit.
Yeah, me and somebody quit, so. I must say then go on somebody I know. Silly.
Then cause me no can't do it man.
No man, they not go on get work, so. Cause you just start. They don't trust you like that if you manage it all.
Then yesterday boss you tell
So
me
me
say like
say-
I'm hard working and I work fast and something. Cause he tell me if you do something me and
No
do
man, they
certain.
might give you props, but like whole, you must say me and somebody that did the whole property, you know. You understand? So, they wouldn't want to give that the big role there.
Oh, me just forward and something.
Yeah.
So how them all give?
Me don't know it was they talk to me about it and I say if me want to try it out and see what go on and I say me don't want to do them feel I work there because I'm a chef work me like it. So me they say me will give it a one try. If you don't work out, I advise him so if you give it work.
Well like how you can't just advise him to give me no like how you say.
No man, as me say,
You not go and give it so fast. Cause old property, you know. You
Oh,
understand?
that good still. Me not go to work
Yeah.
today, so me go tomorrow still, isn't it?
See, I'm a baby mother call me. I coach you and can go come home much money. Me not give her no money.
So you not give her no money? I tell you about the donkey style, you know, cause man, I tell you to be top that you work, where you put your money
I
to.
feel me forgot. Every time I put on your money,
Spend money on your daughter, cause man, you move, I want to your cause man, I'm tired to talk to you about this, youth.
Just forget, man.
So what them say? So all along she never did a call and tell us to mind the baby.
You more up and give her money before.
So all that me say, she never did a call and tell us to mind the baby.
No, she never
So you're
did
not
a
supposed
call
to
me
know
for
that better than your daughter, you're not under think about that safe mind your daughter.
You not really there focus.
You don't really have focus, so where you have focus pan? Where you have focus pan, man? Because you need to focus, man.
I'm there say if you could have lend me money, it could get her money, so I get paid, I get back.
Yeah, what you know any time on a reach in some situation, you know, do that. You can't do that, you
Just
can't
help
depend
me out
on
in
me.
that one situation, I mean.
Because you don't have to depend if you do things on yourself, man. Post me not there or something.
Just
Post
that
something
one
happen to
situation,
me.
just help me out.
I never me put you in a damn problem there.
Lock up for 60 days.
I never me put you in a damn problem there, cause yo, here what I go on now. Me have your account number. Me they get pay and everything. So me I go send it. I'm the one you get locked up. You
Yeah,
see me? So me I go send the money to you.
Yeah, money.
So just text me and tell me how much money you want me. I'll send the money to you. So just pick up yourself. Cause me I get one call. Me I get back a call from my auntie that.
Alright.
So
30,000.
cause just go and do it. And I do that something again, brother, man. You can't do that, brother.
I'm for trying my best. See if I can work in next year.
Cause just do it. As I said, just do it.
I do it right, you know. I just do enough things there on my mind.
Brother, you need to mind your daughter. You can't depend on me all the time. That me I try to tell you. Me have things to do to you, cause
I understand that. I'll give work money. I know where it is.
yeah, man, not good. Yeah.
I'll go on.
Yeah, what I say really are going, brother?
You do?
You know, you remember you forward to me a couple of days ago, right? And you tell me, say, bosses say, yo, he can't go give me your work, right? Because me just forward. Me just
Yeah,
forward and I
that
work,
boss
so me
say-
can't go get it because me just forward in the work, so me can't
That
get the
boss
work.
say. I'm just tell you
And
what
that
he
boss say,
say.
I'm going to go to work today. And boss you tell me, say, and him talk on phone other day. And you tell him, say, me no want no work.
No,
And because
him
me no want no, because me no want no
me.
money. Listen up, you, because man record the call and me hear your voice.
I know me.
Hello, me know
sound
it.
like-
What
I
you
know
mean it
me.
might sound like a you? Remember, so you
person-
tell me, say, bosses, you and boss you talking up on the phone, you know, and he tell you, say, nah, go give me work, you know.
I
I'm
next
here, listen
year
me, I say,
in
no. Listen me, I say, I'm here everything exactly. And you tell him, man, so me no want no work. You understand? Because I choose too more money, me just come on and a freestyle. Me no really want to work. And you forget it. Me no forget them work. Me no deserve that. And you did a long time before me. What kind of style them, the brother? Look how much things me do for you.
Did it before you.
But look how much things me do for you in a life, brother. Me no like talk about things that me do for people, brother. But you really are doing
make you
this
get
youth.
the work.
That
How
now
much
nothing
thing me
to do with
for you?
it. Look how much things me do for you.
Me make you get the work.
See any man a fight for phone. When fight over phone and me give you $30,000, brother. Me never for that forgive that, brother. You know, look upon that, brother. As a family youth, you come here talk about you go get locked up. And me give you money for go give them. For them make you get locked up for your daughter. Much time you come to me and I no money. Me borrow 15,000, you tell me say you go give me back 5 out of it and no you no give me. Me no
You
ask you
tell
for
me
it.
say you gonna pay all
Because
15.
you move like you don't want to give me some of those low because me is a man, me no like problem you would. But you know what I go on now? You know what I go on? You see all of them money there, where me spend, me and you go in a court for that. Right now, I don't a police station, me I go. And me I go make them take this serious. Every money when me ever spend and give,
So when me
you have
I
to
go
go
get
give me
them
back.
money there?
I don't know. If you ever have to get 6 jobs to make me get back my money, you go get it back.
You
I mean,
don't give me
no,
them the money
me don't
there,
give you.
eh?
No,
You
you
can't
go
court
see how
and
you
tell
go.
them, say me,
No, you
don't
go
forget
see how you
money
go.
from me.
You go see how you go. Remember, you know. And me cannot get locked up, you know. Because the police link come having and I go down there, I talk to him and tell him, say, yo, you go pay money a week time to make your baby alright. But I go just go down there and just crash everything. Because since me I face that, I'll me get the work still. You know?
Me
You understand?
work,
And watch
me make you get
no,
to work. You know?
boss is if you deliver the message
Me
to
make
you.
you get to
Boss
work.
if you deliver the message to you. You say you're fired. And I mean,
So you tell the boss to
I mean,
fire
official.
me now.
I mean, I don't tell
You
him
tell the
nothing.
boss to fire me.
I
You see them.
just try to show you. But look now, just make sure, say, and I mean, tell
you
you
talk
nothing.
about me and you tell the boss to fire me.
I say go, we live and we learn, a revenge. Look how me come here and shit me, I treat you good as a family.
Oh,
and
I
you
say
come down
you-
and diss me.
everything
I live
good,
and I
man.
learn. But as me I say,
Everything good.
as me I say, look out.
Everything good.
If I fall,
Go on.
my money, me forget my money, you know. And it done right there, so I done it right
You
there.
see
So.
if you get no money from me.
Wait a
Cause
minute,
you
you see
don't
me
give
again.
me money.
Yo, listen to me. Listen to me, I say. Listen to me,
You
I
know
say.
what I'm saying? Me
Listen
not
to me,
even
I say.
fight you, me not
Don't
fight
ramp
you.
with me. Me and your family, don't ramp
Me
with
not
me.
fight
Just
you,
make sure
because
so
me
me get
fight
money.
you, you not
Make
gonna
sure me
leave.
get money. Make
You
sure
not
me
gonna
get
leave
money.
if me fight you.
Alright.
I am my little cousin. And you come to my place and fight me off.
Girlie,
What going?
what the hell happened?
What day? Good. We are dude.
Girl, I'm just coming out to go pick up some money or something. I'm just saying I come give you a link.
On time, come over here and I'm ready to show off for me, you know. Talk.
I'm not sure for you. But anyways, we still have good news. Remember me to tell this other guy who bring me on week vacation? Yeah, so I didn't think out here, but he want me to come to Panama. So I say Panama I live, right?
I never tell me no.
Yeah, but I tell us I'm talking to my family and something, and some of them are over there. I'm gonna go over there and meet them and something. So we go for the week vacation. We meet in Panama. And also you have one cousin. But when we meet everybody and something, if your cousin nice, then we can step on the link. But I go for a week and more and get thing. As a matter of fact, I go tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
My flight already book on something, the hotel book and everything. We have to stay at hotel for the first couple of days and then family book. You know, we want to spend time and go visit the family or whatever. Well, if for that thing, girl, so me go up and collect some money and something 1 week. When I come back, I finish my house. Finish my house, girl. But I'm not if you girl want to get a thing. So me go up on the road and come back.
Yeah, man, girl, me happy for you. I'm glad to say you always come here. You always a look out for me. I really appreciate that.
Girl, but you know me, I'm happy check for you because I'm a girl. But girl, the cousin single, you know. Yeah, you just have a cousin, the cousin single, so make me meet them and see if, you know, because I know see you like a certain type of man. Yeah, so. See how it go, but I don't like him.
Yeah, cute.
Nice guy. I really. But you know, say feelings could have grown so fast. But girl, we did talk on the phone for hours and night time. Come like nobody want to sleep, you know. It's like when the count to three, so 1, 2, 3. And who first hang up? Girl, they look on the phone one night. I said, no, baby, I have to go work and something, so you have to get rest or whatever. But girl, I really, I feel this guy. He seems so nice. And it just gets better every day. Like, you know, it's like he spend every day and try to prove to me how much he really rate me. And, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, we look say, alright.
Yeah, man, I'm just kind of hungry and something.
You not eat yet?
I know, as in. You know.
Well, me I go up on the road, make even know you love Burger King.
Yeah.
So me I get burger, because me I stop and stop and get something for myself. So me I come go in later.
Alright. Feel like say things they just go so, eh? You feel like say things just there go so, eh? You feel like one left out here? You know, afraid you can't left me in this year, crazy. Let's find a place to live for.
Man, so when I made it to the end of the movie, hope you love it, you understand, share it, tell everybody about it, make them know it's a Coloring Book TV drop a bad movie and they want to call Live and Learn, you understand, and the thing a reality, you understand, because you know, for another day I kind of change up if it's New Year, I not really too much movie after cheating, you understand, because people, I tell people, I read all I comment them, I don't want them to feel like say, I not read it, you understand, I am the one that I always I interact with my fans. Them. If I realize every movie I post, take my time try to take it 5 hour out of my time every day and read the comment them, you understand, reply to my fans them, you understand, if they big me up and say movie happen, reply to them and say, yo, this could have better, me comment and say thanks, we can do it the next time, you understand, and for the bad word them, what they get to in a movie the other day, I'm really sorry, you understand about that, so, you know, I have to forward and tell my fans them, say I'm sorry, you understand, because I say, we do this fine, so anything we say, we have to just do it right, you understand, so just big up on yourself, continue to support Coloring Book TV, you understand, and people, as I say, remember the business of me and talk have West Side Media, you understand, we take picture, you understand, we do video in, so you can book us, you don't know a number in an inch, big up on yourself, you understand, people, so David and I say something, yeah, check him out.
Yeah man, bad for true, they know David and who, and me I say, more they know too. It's like how Puppy Dan and Tugger I do the videography and we can link them. Just know so if you bad mix them and the bad reading them, we can link me too. Doesn't me? Can link me to any number, the 3826111. I remember I said Saturday, Mother Road, Brother Road, me and Puppy Dan party. That's all I have to say. Puppy Dan, what you say, right that?
Yeah man, so as I say, when you just watch out the movie to the end, when you reach the end, watch out the full movie, you understand? Yeah man, and show support. Big up on yourself, Coloring Book TV, Tugger TV, one movement.